Let me explain to you how to install an old air conditioner's indoor unit on the wall using a universal bracket. So this is the spot where I need to do the installation. Also, you can see that the holes are already present here. Let me zoom in and show you. Now we need to take its measurements. The indoor mounting plate of the air conditioner we have is not available, so I brought a universal plate. Look, these are the universal plates. Today, I'm going to install these plates here and give you all the information on how to take the measurements. Right now, I have an O-General DC inverter air conditioner, and today we are going to wall mount it. First of all, center the plates on the mounting area. After centering the plate, you need to take the center measurement. Now, from one inner corner to the other inner corner, the total measurement is 76 centimeters. You need to take similar measurements of your unit as well. Now, let me tell you an important point. When we mount the unit on the wall, the left side will move to the right side, and the right side will move to the left side. So, keep this point in mind. It will help you a lot during your work. Even if you're doing practical work, this point will help you significantly. Now, for the next measurement, center the left side of the universal plate with the pipe. First, take the measurement from the top of the unit to the center of the pipe. Here, it comes out to be 28 centimeters. The next measurement will be from the top end down to the center with the pipe, and this comes out to be approximately 25 centimeters. Note down all these measurements in one place, so it will be easy for you later while working. The 25 centimeters and 28 centimeter measurements were the horizontal measurements for the universal plate. Now, let's talk about its vertical measurements. The plate with the pipe, on my left side, needs to be marked alongside the plate. Now you can see that the vertical center with the pipe is not aligned. It's off by 6 to 7 millimeters. Make sure to note that as well, so you'll remember when working on the wall. I will also mark it on the plate itself, so we'll remember that the center starts from here. Now all the measurements of the unit are complete. I will now transfer these measurements onto the wall. So let's proceed to the wall. First, find the horizontal center and then the vertical center. After that, the first thing you need to do is take the measurement of 28 centimeters from the center point where we marked the hole horizontally and mark it up to the top end. Now, what is the benefit of this 28 centimeter measurement? I will explain that further in the video. The next step is to mark 25 centimeters from the horizontal center of the hole, as I have already done. We have already drawn a line from that 25 centimeter center. Now, the next step will be vertical. As you can see, I have already drawn the line, so you can see that the center of the hole is aligned perfectly with the level line we've drawn. After that, take the universal plate and measure it, which I will show you in the upcoming part of the video. Now, according to the sides of the plate, you can see where I marked. I have marked 3 sides of the universal plate. Let's mark the 4th side as well, which will be here. Now the right side is complete. Now let's complete the left side. The first measurement I took was 76 centimeters from one plate to the other. So let's measure that, and it's in this position. Now you need to take a level, and there is an option for a right angle. Create a right angle here so that our line is perfectly straight at 90 degrees. Now, the line I marked at 25 centimeter for the hole should be attached to this one, which I have connected. After that, mark according to the size of the plate, which will be this mark. Now let's talk about measuring the plate. You can see that the plate is structured like this. There's a flat section at the top, then it bends, and then there's another flat section. You need to take your measurement from this bend, so make sure to mark it at that level and note this down. Now, let's discuss the measurement from the hole to the top. This measurement is important because it allows me to check whether the power plug might somehow not get inside the unit. I measured this to ensure that it's not too high. It should ideally be about 1 centimeter lower, which is perfect for my installation. Everything is working out nicely. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.